Hello, this is me ALIRAZA, and today I'm wanting to discuss about what is Google Ads, how does Google Ads work. So, what is Google Ads? Google Ads is a paid online advertising platform offered by Google, originally called Google AdWords. When I started, it was Google Ads. I personally got Google AdWords certified in 2012, and I got myself a Google AdWords partner company badge in 2013. But in 2018, they rebranded themselves to Google Ads, and the way it works remains essentially same, just like search engine results. Let me show you a few examples, and this is how you can get to know on what is Google Ads. So let's say let me show you. First of all, it's the address is it's very easy. You can just write Google Ads, and you're going to go on to the Google Ads search page. It's an ads.google.com is a primary website. Grow your business with Google Ads, and with Google Ads you can advertise your products or brands or services online and show your products all around the world with a huge online Google search platform, Google partners, YouTube, Gmail, and all the Google properties. Let me show you an example on for instance, if I search web hosting, and I'm going to see two kinds of results. Let me go down, and you can see these are the results. These are general search results, these are local search results, and above all of them you can see ads. These are ads by Google which are being shown all above the results on Google search. I can also see Google Ads on different websites. For instance, if I search let me take an example of this one. This is a website, and you can see these ads are being shown with the help of Google Ads. Google Ads are also advertising on YouTube. You can see ads on YouTube channels and YouTube videos. It is all being powered by YouTube, by Google Ads. You can see ads on Gmail is also being powered by Google Ads. Anyone using Google search on their website, you will see ads through that. They are also being powered by Google Ads. So Google Ads is a huge system, and you can see this is an example of let's say for a QT fitness coach. You can see the result all above is from Google Ads. And now the question is how Google Ads work. Google Ads primarily works under a pay per click model, PPC model, where you will be only charged when someone clicks on your ad. If no one clicks on your ad, you will not be charged. The beauty of the system of Google Ads was you will only be charged when someone clicks on your ad. If no one clicks on your ad, no one puts interest on your ad, don't worry, no, you are not going to be charged. And even another beauty is you are not going to charge the maximum bid, but rather the minimum bid. For instance, I want my ad to be shown for the keyword web hosting keyword where I want to add, and I put my bid at $3. It doesn't mean I'm going to be charged $3. I'm only be charged 0.01 more than the bid of my competitor. For instance, my competitor is bidding at $2. Although my maximum bid is $3, but the beauty of Google Ads system is I'm not going to be charged $3, but rather I'm going to be charged $0.01 more than the bid of my competitor. So that is the beauty of Google Ads bidding system. They also they have created other bidding systems as well, such as doing bidding adjustment as per doing for conversions, or only showing my ads to local search, only to the top of the results. If I do not want my ads to be shown on the lower system, I can do that. But it actually relies on quality score to show your ads. What is a quality score? Quality score is an estimate quality of your ads, keywords, and landing pages. Higher quality can lead to lower prices and better ad positions. Ad positions, CPC, the amount you will pay, all depends on your quality score. So Google Ads works on quality score to ensure proper costing. On quality score to ensure proper pricing and for you. Now the quality score works on Google wants your ad to be relevant so that maximum people can see it. I have a detailed video on quality score. I'm going to add in the description section so you can know on what is quality score on Google Ads and how you can improve your quality score. So this was my video on what is Google Ads. And how does Google Ads work? Google Ads work on CPC module, where you will be only charged when someone clicks on your ad. Otherwise you won't be charged. The beauty of Google Ads system is you are not going to charge the maximum amount you set, but rather $0.01 more than the highest bid of your competitor. That is actually the real beauty of the system. And Google Ads work on quality score. Now, what is quality score? I have a video on it, you can see in the description. Thank you for watching my video, and thank you, and bye bye. Thank you.